Happy Thursday, guys, and happy USA Day today. So if you're dressed in your patriotic colors, make sure to upload a picture to Seesaw so that we're able to see that. So here's a look at our plan for the day. Remember to read your email that has this list that I'm showing you right here. Watch this video so it walks you through everything, and then take a look at the week at a glance to see what the plan is for today. So today is Thursday, April 16th. Remember, you have your reading 25 minutes. We're starting to see more book reviews come in and some AR tests being taken. Incredible Journey, we are meeting today. The rest of you, My Side of the Mountain, Refugee, and Sign of the Beaver, you guys are continuing to read and answer questions. Remember, we minimized the number of questions to only 4, so we're expecting at least a couple sentences per answer instead of just one-word answers. If you just send in a couple words, we're sending it back and not counting it until you elaborate a little bit more for us. Okay? And then the next thing is math. You watch the lesson 5 video in our Schoology 11.2, which is the properties of geometric solids. And then you're back on IXL again today. You're doing DD 1 and 2. And again, both just until you hit that 60-point mark. Remember Mrs. Mickelson's class, you guys are meeting with Mr. Moeller at 9 o'clock in Google Classroom. He will upload a link, I believe, so that you can just click into there and join his class this morning at 9 o'clock. We don't have any small groups this afternoon, but please reach out to us if you need help with math or anything like that, and we are absolutely here to help you. Only certain people have small groups that are meeting individually with any of the teachers. Like I said, Incredible Journey, 10 to 10:30. Okay? Anything you need, guys, please make sure to upload pictures of yourselves dressed up and catch up on any work that maybe you might have missed. Check your emails, and we'll be letting you know what you need to get done. All right, have a great Thursday, guys.